This is where we're going to supercharge this. And once you feel comfortable to do this, do it. And I highly encourage you guys to do this as soon as you possibly can. The faster you get to this phase, the faster the program is written. Okay. That one was not supposed to load that way. It was supposed to do one line by line. As they all say, right? The old saying, the eyes are the windows to the soul.
Yes.
So look in the mirror, look your eyes dead in the eyes, and say these over and over and over. It's going to feel embarrassed. Sorry, I keep looking up because I have the video up here, but the camera's here. Say them over and over and over, even though it may feel uncomfortable because you're looking yourself in the eye and you start analyzing your eyeball and like what's happening with this and what's happening with this. Don't. Just focus on looking yourself in the eye and saying saying your words, saying your affirmations over and over and over. Sean Aker also in that same book tells a story of a very wealthy businessman who was meeting with some of his competitors, and they thought that if they would get him drunk, he would be more open to doing deals, and they could possibly take over his territory. So as they started drinking, he noticed that he was starting to lose control, and he went into the bathroom, looked himself in the eye in the mirror, and started talking to himself and saying, you are sober, you are strong, you are confident, you are fine, you are sober, you're confident, you're fine. He just kept repeating it to himself through his eyeballs, and in that moment he gathered his strength to not feel as drunk and get through that meeting. The first time that I read that, I was like, it's a little silly. Now that I've been doing this into my own eyeballs, which as crazy as that sounds, I kind of enjoy it, because what I've also have learned to do is to just, if I'm having one of those nasty moments where my brain is just not right, I will stop myself. I will look into the mirror, look myself dead in the eye, and I'll tell myself to stop. You have to communicate to yourself. You already do. All of us do. We all talk to ourselves 1,000 times a day. We just are not in control of what we're saying to ourselves, and it tends to be negative. So make it positive. I don't know about you doing it with a camera, because I don't feel like in order to see yourself, you gotta, you have to look up a little bit. So mirrors do work much better than cameras. Try it. It's not as bad as it sounds. It's just you and the mirror, right? Like, who's going to see you? Right. What do you got to lose? Try it. So are we good on I am statements?
Yes.
Do we understand why they work?
No, but we're going to give it a shot.
Okay. Then I didn't do a good job then. We're going to
go back you did. I understand
slide
it.
one.
It's like I hear everything you're saying, but I guess until I work on it and I experience it, I won't believe it.
Right. And as you are writing them, if you need help, just message me and say, hey, what do you think about these statements, these words, and so forth. Okay. I'm always here to help, because I think that this stuff is powerful.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you know anyone who could benefit from the information in my videos, please share it with them. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.